Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It's a new day. It's a sunny day and I'm really happy because we have some exciting things happening today. I have so much to catch you guys up on. I have been dying to film this vlog so I can fill you guys in on everything that has been going on because you guys have been in the dark. I have been a horrible friend. And I have not filled you guys in on the 411, the latest. The tea. So today's the day. I just woke up. It's like 10 o'clock right now. My phone is charging. I apologize. My room is a disaster. I mean, should I show you guys what my room looks like? It's kind of embarrassing, but we're gonna clean her up. I just woke up, as you can tell. That's why I look like this, but yeah, my sister's still sleeping. Let's sneak up on her.
Get the camera out of my face.
How do you know I have a camera?
Because when you open the door, I saw a big fluffy bird.
What? Oh, my mom's here. Let's get her on camera. Mama. What happened? Nothing, I was just filming and you guys came in, so I decided to get you guys on camera.
Oh my god.
Hi. Mom, I was on the phone. Huh? How are you? I was on the
Ya
phone.
llegó, bueno, pues hermano, sí hermano, cuídate, puedes pasar un día, me saludas al Amparito, oíste, que no hablé con ella, me saludas a ella, bueno. Wow, what is this? Do you get my good
Your
profile?
good side?
My good side?
Yes, I did, but it's... Okay, so you guys just saw my parents. I've never featured them on my channel before. Actually, that's a lie. I think my dad has been on my channel once before, but not my mom. So there you go. They were like on a walk or something and they just came home. But anyways, they left again because they're gonna go for a drive somewhere, I think they said. But I'm just here drinking my water because I always drink water in the mornings. I wake up like so thirsty. I don't know if I should tell you guys now or if I should tell you guys later. Do you guys want to hear the new updates now? Okay, well, I might as well tell you this one. But as you can see, I moved. The background is totally different. Here's my plant friend, but yeah. Yeah, we moved. Surprise! But yeah, really exciting step. I'm gonna insert some clips for you guys to see when we were leaving. I was actually pretty sad to leave. Really long. We lived in that house for about 13 years. A really long time. I was probably like 13 when we moved in, and I just turned 26 like last week. So I lived there from 13 to 25 years old. So I lived there for a really long time. Went to elementary school there in that house, went to high school in that house. Yeah, so many memories in that house. So I definitely had like an emotional attachment to it. Yeah, insert the clips of some of the footage I got when we were in the process of moving. Guys, the room is empty, almost. I still have that pile of stuff that I have to take over. I have a few things in my closet, but we're getting there. This is what I'm wearing today. As you can see, very laid back. I decided that I was gonna do my makeup today because I haven't done my makeup in days, and I just needed to feel cute, right? So I did my makeup, I washed my hair, straightened it, but now it's up because I didn't want it in my face. But yeah, like this is what I have left. So yeah, again, sorry guys, it's been so busy. I'll be filming little clips here and there just so you guys can get updated of what has been going on lately. Yeah, anyways, let's go. Goodbye. Just do it now, he's gone. Goodbye. We're saying goodbye. Goodbye. Okay guys, I wanted to make something so exciting and interesting and just pretty to look at, like eggs and toast and jam and all that fun stuff. But we don't have eggs, and I'm feeling kind of lazy and I just want to eat. So we're gonna do the next best thing, and that is cereal. We're gonna add a banana for some excitement. And voila! Here is my exquisite breakfast this morning. Some protein cereal. Very exciting, very aesthetically pleasing to look at. Very YouTube worthy. So I'm gonna go eat it now. Getting ready for the day. I am heading over to Alexis' house. So I gotta be quick because I literally only have 15 minutes. So some good news. I believe the last time I made a vlog, I was unemployed and I was like telling you guys about that. Like I just finished school, I was looking for work and I got a job. You're looking at a full-time working queen. But anyways. Yeah, so I got a job, so really exciting. That happened back in like mid-January. I started mid-January and it's May now, so it's been really good. Love it. The girls there are so nice. Love my job and yeah, it's been a fun time. So that's number one. Number two, I already mentioned to you guys before, I've moved. My parents bought a new house and it's right by like the lake, which is really nice. And the biggest secret of all that I have been hiding from you guys, because this actually happened quite some time ago, back in December. I don't know if any of you guys have noticed just something different, something weighing my finger down. Specifically my ring finger. Why are you staring at me? Anyways, guys, I'm engaged. Here's my ring. My nails are not done. They do not look cute. I really wanted to announce it to you guys when my nails were done, but they're not because, you know, COVID, the nail salons have been closed, but whatever, that's not the point. The point is that I'm engaged. I cannot believe it. For those of you who do not know, Alexis is my fiance and we have been together for 6 years, going on to 7 now. It will be 7 in July. So we've been together for quite some time and he popped the big question Christmas of last year, so 2020, like a few days before Christmas, December 21st. He popped the question and he really surprised me. I did not think it was even happening. Like when I graduated school, I mean, okay, fast forward a little bit. When we talk about things and like it always made it seem like he was gonna propose to me when I graduated. But then COVID happened and like yada yada, and so I didn't think that like it was gonna happen anymore because I thought like, you know, bad energy. He was all about like, you know, bad juju, negative vibes, like not the year. So like in my mind, like I kind of, the idea of getting engaged was like out of the question. I thought, okay, maybe 2021. But he decided to just do it, and yeah, now I'm an engaged woman. So yeah, I can't believe it, but I love my ring. I cannot believe I wear it every day and it's so pretty. Yeah, I'm gonna do like a story time video of the proposal so you guys can hear how it happened, how he did it. It was really, really cute and like really thought out, and it was the best way he could have done it. So I will fill you guys in on that, and I'll also like add some pictures and like show you guys a cute little video of the proposal so you guys can really get a feel of when it happened, because it was a really cute and special day and like, yeah, loved it. So yeah, that's that. Hello everyone and welcome back to the early late show. The early late show. That's what Dixie really calls her show. With Xiomara Lopez. This is my guest, Alexis Lopez. We have a few questions for her today. Alexis Lopez, the question we have for you is, when are you going to start working out again? Never. Okay. Back to me. Okay, so the second question we have for you today is, will there be a baby in your future anytime soon.
Who says that there isn't one already on its way?
Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay.
Okay guys, so I wanted to quickly talk about this beauty brand called Merit. They sent me over this line of makeup. It came in this cute little bag. I'm so excited to wear this during the summer. It's super cute with like a white outfit. So cute. So they are a luxury holistic beauty brand, and they're all about bringing clean, responsible beauty that is safe for the body and the skin and of course the planet.
Okay, so they are a clean beauty brand. They're vegan, cruelty-free, with ingredients like vitamin B5 and antioxidants. So you know they're great for your skin. Not only are they going to help to, you know, just enhance your natural beauty, but they're actually good ingredients going into your skin. So what's better than putting on makeup that not only is going to make you feel beautiful, but it's also good and beneficial for your skin. I'm going to do my makeup and show you guys all the products once I get to Alexis' house, because like I said, I'm in a little bit of a time crunch and I need to head over there now. So I'm gonna do my makeup there and show you guys how the products look on the skin. So, hey guys, so I'm gonna get comfortable. I'm gonna start off with their Perfecting Complexion Stick, and it's in the shade Khaki. And it blends like pretty nicely, so that's good. As you can see, and it like blended really nicely into my skin, and it actually matched perfectly, so I'm happy about that. I'm gonna go in with their contouring stick. It's also called the Perfecting Complexion Stick, and this is in the shade Chestnut. So I'm gonna put that there, a little bit on the forehead. I'm gonna use the contour as my eyeshadow because I always like to put a little bit of like bronzer or something in my eyelid. Do this one. It has a little bit more of a pink tint, so I'm only gonna do a little bit because I don't want it to be like sticky on my cheek. Okay, and then we're gonna apply the mascara. Start off with the darker one. Let's see how that looks. So this one is the one that's called Marrakesh. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing it right, but that's really pretty. This one is Au Naturel, which is more of like a mauvey soft color. As you can see, closer to the kind of colors I wear like on a daily basis, but they're both really pretty. I love myself a good highlighter. Dab some on my fingers and then just use the warmth of my hands to dab that into my skin. To just kind of give you like that nice like sheer glow, you know? How easy was that? It was like a super quick 5-minute routine. Don't have to think about it much, just a few products and you're good to go. So thank you so much, Merit, for gifting me these products. I really appreciate it. But anyhow, I'm gonna go now. I have to film another video, so I'm gonna do that. And I will catch you guys on the vlog in a bit. I didn't pick up the camera yesterday, and I don't know. I didn't pick up the camera yesterday, and I want to finish the vlog, but I'm not really sure what to do because honestly, I'm doing absolutely nothing right now. Besides hanging out with this crazy one. So, I just came home from work like about an hour ago. I need to eat. We're gonna go to the grocery store, but I'm like,
Yeah,
we are?
very lazy.
We were. I don't know, should we go to the grocery store, guys? Do you guys want to see our grocery store adventures? Yeah. I just want to get in my car. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Okay, she's being shy. Wow, this camera's heavy. My arm hurts.
Okay, how are you gonna do that at the grocery store then?
I don't know. I need to practice holding my camera more so that my arm will gain muscles. So that I'll gain arm strength, and then me holding my camera won't feel like a workout anymore.
Heads is what?
Heads is stay, tails is go.
Okay.
What was it?
It's tails.
Oh, I'm shocked. Okay, why do I feel like that app always picks tails?
It picked heads last time.
It did?
Okay, you want to try again? Heads. Google don't lie.
Okay, I guess let's go to the grocery store. I know, me too.
But Google says we have to go.
I know, but I'm so lazy. Hey guys, so I'm filming on my phone because my camera died just in the nick of time. What?
You turn off the music.
Yeah, I did. Let's go to the grocery store. Ring flex. I'm kidding.
Oh Jesus, people are scary. People are scary.
Okay, so I need bagels because I'm gonna take some bagels to Barca. Okay, I think I'm gonna get cinnamon raisin bagels because they smell really good and I want to eat them for breakfast. So, oh my god, should I get cinnamon sugar bagel? Do you think that's too much? No, it's too much. It's too much. I'm gonna get some salad. These are so good. I like to snack on these at work. So. Hey guys, so I forgot to end the vlog, so I'm ending it now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, I apologize for my hair at the end of this video. I didn't realize how bad it looked until I was editing it, so yeah. Don't mind the crazy bun that I had going on. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, drop a comment down below. I want to know how you guys are doing. Chat with me and I'll reply. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.